Good morning. It is Wednesday, February the 7th, 2018 here in Hermitage, Tennessee. It is 9:40. Are you wasting time with watchable hours? Do you need to get to 4,000 hours? How much time do you spend creating a video versus the length of the finished product? You want to increase your watchable hours? The answer is simple. You simply go live while you're working on your video. Let people watch you actually create the finished product. That will get you viewable hours while you're creating your project, as well as a finished product you can be proud of because you'll take more time. And people will want to watch it if they've already invested in watching you create at least part of it. They'll want to watch the whole thing once it's finished. So you get a double whammy out of it. It doesn't cost you anything. You're going to be spending the time doing it anyway. Why not let people see the process, rack up those hours, and get to 4,000 hours quicker than you normally would? You might also gain a few subscribers while you're in the process. Thanks for watching.